Hello, this is Mimi from Mimi, Mom, and Me. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to turn your child's artwork into a card. And you can do this for birthday, Christmas, Father's Day, Mother's Day, any occasion at all. So first you're going to go to a site called Zazzle.com. I put the link to this card in my store below. Just click on the link in the description. See it in the URL there. So I have it all set up for you to make pretty easily. So the first thing you want to do is click on Personalize this template. So you can click on Edit the text or change the images. And we'll start with changing image 1, which is the image on the front. So go to Upload Images, and it will take you to your, your computer, wherever you have your images. Go to whatever folder you want and pick the image you want to upload. You can scan your child's picture into your computer with a printer or scanner, or take a picture of it with your phone. So once you click on it, it will upload to the card. Mine was upside down in there, so I'm going to click to customize further, and then I'm going to turn it around. So you just click on that little round symbol right there, and you can rotate the image and move it to where you want. And see these little squares on the sides? You can size your picture, making it bigger or smaller, and just center it however you like it. So we'll get the image centered there. Okay, now go back, just click done and go back and, Okay, now click Personalize this template again, and this time we're going to change the message. So if you go to the left, you can see them on the inside of the card. It says add your own personal message. So fill in whatever text you want there. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, Happy Father's Day or Mother's Day, whatever you want to add there. And just add your own personal message. These make such a sweet keepsake that you can keep forever with your kids' artwork. Okay, now you've got your message. You got your picture on the front, the message in the inside the card. And you can customize it further. You could have just left it, or if you want to center anything, you can again click to customize further and center it a bit more. So on the back of the card, I just put my logo. You can just leave that if you want, but if you want to change it, see Mimi, Mom, and Me at blogspot.com. If you want to change that, you can click the Personalize it again, and then change the second image. And then you can upload from your computer or phone an image of the child that did the artwork, or the children, or whatever, So just put your own picture back there if you want to, just to add a little personal touch. And then on the left-hand side, you can click on the different images and make sure everything's how you like it. You can see the whole card, and on the right here, you can pick what you want, what kind of envelopes, what size. There's several different sizes of cards you can pick. If you enlarge it or make it smaller, you'll probably have to edit the pictures again, and you can make it matte or semi-gloss, whatever you prefer. And then that's it. Then you just add to your cart. Oh yeah, make sure you look for the coupons and deals. Zazzle always has deals going on for different products. So that's it. Just add to your cart. View cart and checkout. And you're done. And then you buy it. Simple as that. You can buy it through PayPal or with a credit card. So thanks for stopping by Mimi, Mom, and Me, blogspot.com. We have lots of different craft ideas if you want to stop by there and check them out. And also I have a website called timefortheholidays.net, where we just have different holidays, birthdays, baby showers, different occasions that we make crafts for and just different fun ideas on there. So stop on by. Thank you.